So, Bitcoin miners are probably selling their output at the $28,000 level, says Matrixport. Miners are being forced to liquidate any new Bitcoin mined as margins have narrowed in recent weeks, the report said. Bitcoin is experiencing selling pressure at the $28,000 price level, and miners may be responsible. Crypto services provider Matrixport said in a report Friday. Matrixport said it suspects that Bitcoin miners are being forced to liquidate any new inventory produced because profit margins have been compressed in recent weeks, the report said. Mining has become very competitive and often unprofitable due to the continuous increase in Bitcoin miner difficulty, the report added. Mining difficulty, the measure of how easily miners can discover a new block of Bitcoin, hit an all-time high earlier this week. Quote, at the current input cost and potential output revenue expectations, most of the machines produced before 2022 appear to be unprofitable, end quote, wrote Marcus Thielen, head of research. This is also why here recently you've started to see the S19s, which is what they're referring here to, or by and large, right? Start to hit the market at extremely low cost, right? If you're buying in bulk, you can get them really cheap. We're starting to get closer to that $10 per terahash mark in the bulk range. And even when we start to look at the single unit prices, we're starting to see lower and lower prices. Not quite like crazy. I think the best that I've seen is somewhere between $15 to $18 per terahash if you're just buying a single unit. This means miners are forced to sell their inventory at current level instead of holding on till prices increase, as Matrix Post foresees, the note said. There is now significant upside convexity for miners as profitability could increase fourfold if Bitcoin price increased by 10% plus, the note added. Today's sponsor is BT Miners. BT Miners has been a longtime sponsor of the channel and a proven reliable source for ASIC miners. If you're looking to purchase ASIC hardware from Bitcoin to Dogecoin miners, they are available for purchase on bt-miners.com. BT Miners is a trusted source by both ASICminervalue.com and CryptoMiner.com. Follow the affiliate link in the description and tell them SOT sent you to support the channel. And this is where, like, if I'm looking at my strategy here recently, you guys saw that I purchased a bunch of Bitcoin miners. I did purchase them in that minimum order quantity of 10 or more, because at that point you can get that closer to $10 per terahash. And this is going to be extremely important. This is going to put you in that position where you're sitting on the machines, but the price of Bitcoin as it gets closer to the halving hopefully begins to recover, and then you could see a fourfold increase of your mining profitability potentially, right? And that's all going to be, up in the air, and depending on the amount of power or the price of power that you have, what you can negotiate there, etc. So negotiation of power, as always, is going to be the most important thing. Competing within Bitcoin, though, also picking up the units at a price that's extremely cheap. If you want to check out more on my strategy surrounding mining in general and how it works with the halving schedule, please check out sonofitech.com, and I have an e-course up there that goes into depth on it a little bit more. All of it is shared on the channel as well. I don't hide anything there, but it's all in one place over there, so it just makes it easier. Thanks for checking out this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. You can check out the full episode here or more crypto content down here. Also, I'd like you to check out my locals page at sonofitech.locals.com, where you can become a member for free or choose to be a $5 a month supporter that unlocks additional content.